don't know about you, but before I start a project, I download a ton of relevant images that might inspire me. So with this project, I downloaded birthday images. My granddaughter Hannah is turning 18, so I thought I would put some money into one of our felt wallets and give it to her as part of her birthday gift. Now it's time to create the design field that matches my felt wallet. So I choose a square from Shapes and unlock the corner so I can size it to the appropriate size for my application. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Then I go into colors and make my field brown, just like the wallet I'm going to give Hannah. I love how happy and colorful this little alligator is, so I size him and stick him up there on the wallet. But eventually I'll discard him because he's just too complicated and I don't have enough time to deal with him before Hannah's party. Now I go back and start rummaging through some of the images that I pulled from Cricut Design Space, and I decide that I like the one that says Finally 21, but I don't like the yellow rays around it. So I select all and highlight that, and I can go into Slice and take those out. Remember, you can only slice between two colors or two layers. Naturally, I have to get rid of the 21, so again, I go into Shapes on the left side rail and pull out a circle, reduce it to the size I need, and I will put it behind the 21 and slice that out as well. That worked really well, except it left a little tiny edge of the 1 in the image. So I just went back into Shapes and pulled out a circle and sliced out that remaining edge that I didn't need. Once I got my image the way I liked it, I highlighted it and grouped it. Therefore, I could unlock it at the lower left corner and manipulate the size until I had it just the way I wanted it. I didn't like how the black wording looked on the wallet, so I changed it to a lighter color, and now it was ready to cut. We have over 95,000 members in our Facebook group. I'll put a link below if you'd like to join us. But anyway, most of our members and crafters say that they enjoy weeding, and I do too. One of the things that makes it so much easier is our Tweety Light. I'll put a link to that too. And I also like to use a lint roller to attach the small weeded pieces to. And I just think it's fun to weed. I don't know, call me crazy, but a lot of us crafters are. Here is our felt wallet. Has a zipper, pockets, places for your credit cards, and this is what I'm going to use for my granddaughter Hannah's birthday gift. So I'm going to put money in it and something else that she wants. So this is the side I'm going to decorate, the bottom. Here are my images on my Cricut mat. This is glitter and everything's been mirrored. So I'm going to fold this image in half with the non-sticky sides together. Give myself kind of a center line. Gives me a visual idea of where I want to put I'm going to use a release paper on all of this. This is glitter, so I'm going to press it for about 15 seconds. I'm using our cooling block, which is awesome for cooling things quickly. I attached these images in Cricut to make it easier to press. And I'll show you a video on that. This is our matte vinyl, so it only takes 3 to 5 seconds. I'm going to trim these so I can do them at the same time. And one more press just to make sure everything is adhered. And on this, I usually increase my pressure some when I'm using a heat press. And that's it. Little felt wallet, this is what I'll put her present in. Thanks everyone, bye. I knew when it came time to apply the image to the wallet, I wasn't going to want to deal with a bunch of tiny pieces. So I duplicated the image a few times. Then I selected my image and hid the word finally and started hiding all of the other colors except for red. And that was going to be my bottom layer. I only wanted to have to deal with 3 different colors for the number 18. Then I selected the red 18 and I attached it. I did the same thing to get the little yellow flames. I pulled up the image, I hid the word finally, hid all of the colors except for yellow, and once I had my yellow flames, I attached them. And finally, I just pulled up the image again and I hid all of the different colors on the 18, except for the blue one and the pink 8, which would remain the same. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.